It's just a no-brainer. Just using simple math. If we book 4 jobs the first day of that new billing cycle, LeadTruffle's paid for itself. It literally is a game-changing product for my business. It sucked. I mean, it's literally waiting until something hits your email box. So we go, an hour before going back and refreshing our email. It was a crappy response time, and it's all simplified now with LeadTruffle. And so we go, an hour before going back and refreshing our email. My whole CSR staff loved it. Total game changer to keep up with all these leads, respond to them, and close these leads out. Having it all in one platform is really the game changer for us. AI picking up, instantly respond, that's huge in capturing your leads and not wasting money on all these. We close about 80% of the messages that come in through that SMS chat, which was something that I didn't even really care about. LeadTruffle helps us in 4 jobs, and LeadTruffle's paid for itself. It's possible the first day of the month on the new billing cycle, customers don't realize they're even talking to AI at first. We're really on the ball with that now. What did it take? 15, 20 minutes of my time, and then you handle the rest. I don't know how much simpler a large process like that can be when we're paying for these leads and then having slow response time and losing them. And so as a business owner, it literally is a game-changing product for, at least for my business. We had 2 customers that had spoke to our AI agent on the phone once we turned the phone on. And both of them were like, hey, we hate AI. We don't like dealing with AI, but that was actually helpful.